Guys. Welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend. We're going to be going into chapter 2 today. So we're going to review what our chapter 1 question was and introduce our chapter 2 question. Our focus today is going to be on active reading and how and why scientists do that. And while we do that, we're going to learn a little bit about the surface of Venus and a landform on Venus called the novae. Now, our chapter 1 question, you might remember, was what do we think formed the channel on Mars, lava or water? Last week, at the end of the week, you made a prediction of what you think it could have been formed by, lava or water. You might have even said you were unsure, which at this point is perfectly okay because we need some more evidence. So our chapter 2 question is going to be, how can we gather evidence about whether lava or water formed the channel on Mars? So we're going to be looking into how we do that. And in order to look at ways that we can gather evidence, we're actually going to step away from Mars and look at a different rocky planet in our solar system, Venus. In order to gather some of this evidence and learn about Venus and its landforms, you're going to be just doing some active reading. So one of today's big questions is, what does active reading mean and how does it help scientists? Our other big question that we're going to answer as we do some active reading is, how is novae, the domed landform on Venus, formed? Now, before you actually do your active reading and we start annotating some parts of that reading together and learning more about this novae, you're going to get to watch a short video on Venus and why it is so different from Earth, even though it's a rocky planet that's about the same size. As you watch this video, look out for some things that make it drastically different from Earth and why we haven't sent a lot of spacecraft or any humans anywhere near it. So I want you to go ahead and watch that video, and when you're done, answer just a few questions. And on the next page or in the next section, we will actually start going into what active reading should look like and giving it some practice.